March 4, 2022 is a Friday. Welcome to your daily weather for the great city of Portland. Dress for cold. The temperature today should reach up to 47 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring plenty of water out today, because humidity is at 77%. You can expect 2.94 millimeters of rain and no snow today. Some clouds. We've got moderate wind at about 6 miles per hour. Tomorrow is going to be cold with overcast clouds. Sunday is going to be cold with clear sky. Monday is going to be cold with overcast clouds. Tuesday is going to be cold with light rain. Wednesday is going to be cold with light rain. Thursday is going to be cold with broken clouds. No weather alerts at the moment. And now for the news. Warning: some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. In other Oregon news, Back to the Future: can robot mops and self-cleaning windows get us out of housework forever? A prime candidate for secular canonization and a personal hero of mine is Francis Gabe. In other Oregon news, it's time to start studying the downside of psychedelics. In January, the National Institute of Mental Health, the National Institute on Drug Abuse, and the National Institute on Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism co-hosted a 2-day virtual workshop. In our next story, 100 Best Companies to Work for in Oregon, 2022 Oregon Business. Find out which companies have the most satisfied employees in 2022. Welcome to the 2022 100 Best Companies to Work for an Oregon list. In other Oregon news, some parents speak out after Seattle Public Schools decides to leave mask mandate in place. King5.com. Seattle, Washington State is lifting its mask mandate at 11:59 on March 11. That's when masks will no longer be required. Indoors. In other Oregon news, NFL prospects who will blow up the 2022 NFL Combine. Lynn Sladky. Associated Press. Michigan pass rusher Aiden Hutchinson was a Heisman finalist this past season and one of the most productive defenders in the nation. He finished with 62 tackles, 16. In other Oregon news, Elon Musk dares union to hold vote at Tesla factory after Biden's pro-labor speech. CNBC. Tesla CEO Elon Musk challenged the United Auto Workers to try and organize employees at his company's plant in Fremont, California, and stepped up his attacks on the Biden administration's policies. In other Oregon news, Mila Kunis and Ashton Kutcher launch Ukraine fundraiser, will match $3 million. Page 6. Mila Kunis and Ashton Kutcher are doing their part to help those impacted by the current unrest in Ukraine. That's it, Oregon. Have a good one. We're always working to improve our service. Please subscribe to show support. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM) API, which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).